everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have for you a simple tutorial while at the same time doing a review on these pretty cool stencil stickers. Check them out. So they are holographic, and you get in the package 24 sheets. So you get a good variety of different designs. Let me go ahead and show you each sheet here so you can get an idea for all the various designs and patterns that you get in here. And this is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. But yes, these were sent to me for a review, and I went ahead and did a simple design so you guys can give you an idea on how to use them and how well they work. So here's the final design. Obviously, I have left this without any top coat. And you saw how I was able to use these stencils for more than one nail. Now, the second one, of course, I didn't have the crispier lines as the first one, but I thought it would still work pretty good. It might have done even better if I had this not been a textured polish. But I'm pretty happy that I was able to do that. And you saw how on the second one, because I knew it was not, I didn't need to hold the entire stencil instead of centering it. Because of the pattern, it allowed me to use the left side of the stencil, and then I was able to use the opposite side for the other nail, and that worked really well. And the other thing that I want to point out, as you can see, you might be able to use these little pieces from that popped out of the pattern to then keep them on your nails and then use them as stickers. And they're pretty cool because since they are holographic. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.